The Ballad of Further Down the Line, Part 2. We'd said that we would mend our ways, a promise made, a promise kept, and squeeze the juice from all the days, adjust, adapt, accept. We learned in time to simmer down, to slow the mad, relentless burn. Now, on the edge of every town, the turbines turn. The patch-up process has begun. We came to tolerate and trust their quiet cartwheels, steady hum, adapt, accept, adjust. We felt the heat and felt the pinch and seized the opportunity. We shuffled inch by grudging inch toward community. We shuffled till we overcame innate inertia that had grown within our ranks and gained a strange momentum of its own. We turned to face the damage done, address the mess and seal the cracks, return to earth and wind and sun. Accept, adjust, adapt.